Hello, hello, yellow, yellow. Good afternoon, everybody. This is me, your own Mukarram Naeem. You can call me Aram, whatever you like. And we are live again today. Today is 16th of June, and we are going to do trading with gold. Okay, you don't need to go up there. Stay down. You know, these histories, guys. I don't like these histories and anything that stuff. I don't like that. I'm gonna delete everything that comes upon here. Okay, so let's see what. Oh, okay, we're gonna do start day with the name of God, who's the most merciful and the most gracious. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. And today's we're gonna look for weekly loan. Okay. Okay, so we are slightly in a bullish trend right now because we created a lower low. Now we are about to create a lower high. That's why we are moving up, and we are expected to go till here, some 44.78, and then we're gonna create a lower low. So but for now, we are in a bullish trend in the week and in the day. Yes, we have been bullish from past 4 days, last 2 days of the previous week, and these 2 days of this week, we've been bullish, and we are just you know, if this 4 hour candle breaks above, because this is a very strong resistance, if we break above this resistance, we are likely to move up to somewhere over here or somewhere over there. I don't know. So, let's see what. Okay, we will create our no, the daily. I'm not gonna do any. Okay, okay, delete, delete, delete. Okay, so we are possibly having our resistance somewhere over here. Here, I guess. Yeah, this is 4 hour. 4 hours. 4 hours just broke the resistance, and now we just created a lower wick of the 4 hour. Now we're expected to go up, but we'll see. We have a support somewhere over here on 4 hours. We have resistance over here on 1 hour. We have some resistance over here. So yes, we have a resistance over here on 1 hour time frame, and our support is gonna go down somewhere over here. So you can see me, I can't see you. Why the hell are we doing this? Do, 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 do. Okay, I hope you can see me because I can't see you. I can see you. Okay, so we have a support over here. We have resistance over here. On 1 hour time frame, we created a very bullish candle surpassing this resistance somewhere over here, which was a good resistance. If we see, it was a good resistance over here, and we broke above, but we don't have an upper wick of this candle, so I don't know the market. And uh this is a resistance zone, so we don't know yet that the market's gonna take up, because if the 1 hour candle broke this high, we don't have much to go up. We will look for the we're not gonna lick anything. We're gonna look for the resistance to be broken off this level. That would be the most preferable rather than just skipping on this one, because this broke up, broke above, and it is starting to come down. So we're not gonna go there. And yeah. So we have a support over here, just over on 1 hour time frame. Oh, okay. The 30 minutes are giving us a picture with a different view. Yeah, we have a resistance over here, some fear. Yeah. Hi, hi, my viewer. Hi, my viewer, whoever you are. Hi. Okay. Uh, this is the resistance we're looking for. We broke above this resistance. This one. Let me show you. Let me show you. We broke above this resistance. This was a good resistance over here. But, you see, we came across this resistance. We don't have much range to go. We don't have much range to fill. We have a resistance again. So, it is not profitable. We are looking for break above this and then break below this. Then we are looking for any sort of sells, you know? Yeah, somewhere like this. So we have a very good support down here. We have a very good resistance up here. So we are now, I don't know. I guess we're gonna consolidate. It is how big is this range? Let me see. Okay, it's a 200 pip range. Okay, two views, but nobody's commented. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. You come, you enjoy, you talk. I don't care. Okay. Uh, so lonely. Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I. Okay. So we are in a range. I cannot trust this range. How many pips are these? 21 pips. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. But this candle has break down almost 100 pips. Ooh, we're not trusting this one. Okay. We had a very good support resistance over here. It broke and didn't give any. It just created the same as this one. But now we are in a consolidation. Ooh, la. Because this is 30 minutes. 30 minutes really good in what you can see right now. Is that okay? This is the 30 minute. 30 minute is giving us a very clear picture of what we are doing. This is the resistance, and we are nearly in the resistance. So we broken the low of the last 15 minutes, and we're going down. But we are in a bit bullish trend. If we create some support down here, then I'll be happy to look for some buys, man. Yeah. So this is our setup. This is okay. No colors. No colors. No colors. Okay. This is our setup. This is this is what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for. Okay. So we came from daily to Bailey. Yeah. So this was Now the gold is trying to go up, reach this level. How many pips are these? Let's see how many pips are these. These are almost 100, 1100 pips. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Although this is a very strong, it was a support before, and now it's a big resistance. This broke above. I'm expecting the gold to go to this level. But on 4 hours, yeah, yeah, I know, I know what you're trying to say. I know. Yeah, 4 hour didn't created any upper wick. We broke above the resistance. This was a very good resistance. The gold did broke above, and I'm expecting the gold to wick fill. And how many pips are these for the wick fill? These are almost 141 pips. Ooh la la. Okay, that's really good. Alright, if this wick fill happens, I am pretty sure I would take this, but 4 hours, very, 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 very. 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is bearish, 30 minutes are bearish, and 15 minutes on your screen, 3, 2, 1, yeah, they're bearish. So yeah, if I would have taken this, I would have not taken this. I did took some trades in the morning. I I did took some trade yesterday, which I failed to come up with and cope up with. But that's fine. That's fine. You know, you have that's what that's what the warning is for. Yeah, my internet's breaking. Internet, you don't break. I break you. Yeah, that was lame. If we break this resistance over here, we are most likely to go down to this support, which is 1083 point like 100 pips. And if we go down, it's 250 pips. Let's see what happens. You can see a very clear picture over here of gold. That gold is ranging in this. You see, gold went up, came down, went up, came down. But yeah, it is creating a high because I don't know. Did we broke the high of the previous day yesterday? We did not. We we did we did not. Oh, okay. So we are. I am very very sure that we might break the high of this day, and those are, I guess, 130 pips. Let's see what we have in this on 15 minutes. Yeah, yeah, this is the high of the previous day. I get it, okay, I get it. It's a very strong resistance. If we break up, oh, see, we are we are creating a support. If we do create a support, because this is a very strong support of it. Market went up from this, came down to this support, went up, came down to this support, went up, and now coming back down to. And one, two, three. I don't care. We are waiting for our setup to form. Lonely. How someone Oh, yeah, water. I drink water a lot. Yeah, this is the time that we truly wait for our setup to form. And sometimes it forms and sometimes it does not happen as we wish for. So we will wait for the market to act like what we need it to act like. I'm sorry, I thought my mic is on. Okay, so yeah, we are waiting for this setup to form. The sell setup is, I don't feel like going sell right now, but because it rejected from a very strong resistance, I might take a sell because this is what happening here. This was a sell region, and yeah, that's why. Okay, yeah, if it rejects from here and create a bottom and it creates a bullish candle over here, I might take a buy from there because this this setup is more likely to go up rather than going down because the market is bullish and yeah, but I don't know. We will wait for our setup to form and yeah, if it closes below our support, we are who's watching, man? Can't you leave a thumbs up? Whatever, man. 4 minutes to go, and we will possibly go for sells if this candle closes like this. We will be very happy to go for a sell, and the sells would be of 81 pips, which is quite good. I have our stop loss somewhere over here. If it close like this, 3 minutes to go. Very okay. Yeah. We are moving down. We are moving down. Oh, but I don't want this candle to be very big because I know there's a volume for sells, but just 2 minutes to go. I don't know what to do. What to do? What to do? Charlie. Charlie. Yeah, something very, very important. Yeah, something very, very important. Yeah, for many days we haven't seen what the goal what the trading forex factory is saying. Let's see what the forex factory is saying. Forex factory is okay. Forex factory. Hi. Let's see. Yeah, view the statement. Okay, it's been 10 hours. Okay. So Bank of Japan statement on monetary policy. No surprise. Policy rate. Everything was normal. Normal. Nothing much happening. Everything's fine. Yeah, it's cool. No big news for New York. So, uh, just 1 minute to go. We will see. Oh, even if it closes like this, I am very happy to take a sell here. And if it closes above, oh, that would be very bad. Last few seconds for this candle to close. Don't go down further. Don't go further down because I need this. I need these pips to go 83, 81. Come on, man. You were at a very good position. Go a bit high. 75 pips, okay. If it goes up, retest that, and then I'll be looking for a sell, and not in the first minute. 1 minute rule, yeah. I don't want to say anything bad to you, but screw you, gold. 433, 455, 0. Four, three, four. Four, three, two, seven is gonna be our profit take profit. Okay. Okay, so if this candle goes down, I am very sure that yeah, it is going to go down. I hope so it will go down. Yeah, it raced back quite a lot. Lot? So yeah, we have 55 pips of yeah. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If anybody around the corner, just hit me up, man. Yes, my order is set. The market come back to this point. I am pretty sure that it will go down. Yeah, something is okay. Let's see what 4 hours doing. 4 hours very bearish right now because it broke the low of the previous 4 hour. That is good. We're going down. 1 hour is bearish. That is very good. 30 minute is bullish, but it closed below. Okay, yeah. If not, yeah, so we're gonna have a 1-to-1 risk to reward. Yeah. So we are waiting for the candle to come to this retraced point. It- Okay, okay, okay. The moment it turns red, I am in stealth. But let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the market is going to do today because I don't know whether we are we have placed our order. We have this order 0.2 volume. It's a small size. It's a mini size, not micro. Okay, and if the candle does not retrace back before the last 6 minutes, I will have to cancel the order. Cancel. Cancel. Denzel. Let's see what happens. A very warm welcome. You know, these with FIFA 2026 happening, and every match is giving a really good. I watch football sometimes. It should go down, man. I think so, and I think the gold should break its low and go down to this point. And if it breaks and go down, I'm pretty sure the gold is gonna go this much. But I'm not gonna get greedy or something like that. And if not, that was a big fake out, and the market is faking out. If it breaks the high of this, Yeah, it did not break the high of this candle, of the previous candle actually. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see what the gold is about to do. Oh, it's jumping. It's jumping up and down. It's around the corner, but it's not coming down. Gold. You know, SpaceX has been launched in IPOs, and this is currently bullish. Everyone's trying to buy. Everyone's trying to make money out of that. I don't care. I trust gold. That's the only trust I need. Yeah, we have lost 6 minutes. No, they did not break the high of the previous candle and it did close bearish. And I don't know. These are the last 5 minutes. Okay, the candle just retraced back, and if it turns red, I'll be very happy. Hmm. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Okay, yeah. Oh my God. Oh my God. Gold is doing this. Oh my God. Oh. Gold is not breaking the high of the previous candle. Even above it. I don't know if it's gonna go down. If the first 15 minute of the 30 minute are bullish, then the next 15 minute of the candle of 30 minutes gonna be bearish. So we are expecting that this 15 minutes were bullish and the next 15 minutes would be bearish. And if that's the case, then we probably would be hitting our TP instead of SL. We are waiting the last 2 minutes. If it closes bullish, I'm gonna cancel it. Last 2 minutes of the 15-minute candle of if this closes bullish, then I had to cancel this order. Last 1 minute. 3, 2, 1. If it breaks the high of this candles, I will be canceling this utter, Aaron. Yeah, last minute started. Aaron, what are you doing, Aaron? Oh, gonna put them out. Last 30 seconds of this candle, and I think I have to close 20 seconds. I think I have to close this order. I have to delete this order because the market just gave a fake out. People who just entered after the candle closed bearish would have been stopped out by now or have closed their lots, and we were saved by just this 6 point. This is 15 minute and we are deleting this order. We have a new support or resistance to form. We have formed new resistance somewhere over here. If this candle closes below, turns red again, green again, the 30 minute, I'll be hitting sells. I'll be having a stop loss about here. We are saved. If I would have left that order to stay there, we have been hit by, we have started our trade and we would have been in a drawdown right now. You know, it is good. Yes, we are waiting. How dare you ask me that? You can ask me anything. Don't ask me about waiting. We are waiting at the moment. Yes, we were clever enough to place our order and cancel our order at a very good time. I did some. I did some profit today, which I'm not gonna show, which I'm not gonna tell, which I'm not gonna show. Oh my god. What a bad boy, you Goldie Gold Digger. If this is a support for me, oh my god. Let's see what happens. We are the champions. We make it happen, and we believe it. You know, sometimes market give you an unexpected move that nobody have expected. That's what the banking shit is doing right now. We are in a range, baby, range. It is a big range. It is what it is. Hey, boy. Oh, da na 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 na.
Yeah, boy.
Now this is a support forming, and this support is formed on 30 minute. I would be going for, oh my god, how pretty it would be if I take a buy from here and it goes all the way to here. I have 2400 to 240 pips. Damn. We're consolidating, we're consolidating, we're consolidating. Nothing much happening at the moment. No, the gold is not giving its move during this New York session from many days. Uh, and that's why I am doing, yeah, last 8 minutes of this 30-minute candle. This break below, and I'll be looking for a sell. If it does not, I'm not gonna trade. And I'm not getting impatient by any of this move. Come on, come on. Yeah, boy. Last 7 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. Let's see what 1 hour candle is saying. One hour candle is bearish, very bearish. And if it closes like this, we are very, very in a mode to go down on 190, 180 pips. 4 hours been bearish. We are coming down from support resistance. Uh, there's no clear uh, because if it was 4 hour, there was no upper wave. It, just no breadcrumbs. It could have been gone to breadcrumbs. It went down and broke the low of this. Let's see. Did we broke the high? We did not break the high of the previous day. So 4 hour is 4 hours is something very bad. 4 hours is bearish. 1 hour is bearish. 30 minutes are bullish. What the hell is that? And 15 minutes is bearish. So overall, we are bearish on each time. 1 hour is about to close in 5 minutes. We're not gonna rush. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Very, very bad market structure. We didn't hit this resistance. We're just coming back from this. We're coming back from this supply. Coming back from this supply. Yeah, and now we're going back to this zone, which is, I think, a very good 27, 22, 280 pips. Last 4 minutes and nothing's happening in the market. Very bad. I don't know. Actually, uh, and the market created this this gap and hasn't filled yet. How big is this gap? This 300 pips gap, gas gap. But market haven't been down to here. That means there are many. Okay, can't risk it. Last 3 minutes, can't risk it. Can't risk. If we close it below, then I'm again looking for sells, which would be a very good opportunity. You see, again, last 3 minutes. 2 minutes to go to close. 1 hour candle, which is closing in a very bearish trend. 30 minute is closing bearish. 15 minute is closing bearish. So if we close like this, yeah, so 1.5 minute to go. Okay, so last minute now. Yeah, nothing much happening, you know. The gold is not golding at all. It is stuck in the range. How can we not talk about family Zavika? Okay, you see, this is why I don't take trade on last minute. It might not turn out in your way. 3, 2, 1. And the next candle is about to print. If it prints like this, okay. No wick. 1 minute, 1 hour, closed bullish with a very odd candle. No upper wick, no down wick, nothing. How big is going to be the stop loss? Can you imagine? Can you imagine? I can't. You can you? 4, 3, 3. I 30 minute without Vic. Wow. What a pathetic market structure. It went up 100 pips just now in 5 minutes. What can you expect from gold at moment? At the moment, if it retraces back from here, how bad it is. How bad it is, man. How how ugly it would be. It would be beautiful if it just stop go down. Take my tea. Mm, what in the name? Okay, nothing. Gold is doing nothing. It is giving us no clue. No, whoever is watching, if you are looking at what I'm doing, you can ask me what I'm doing. Okay, you don't stick there and keep quiet. Ask something, man. Okay, so nothing. We have our order placed. The market is just jumping here and there and not giving us any strong move. Yeah. Because there was no lower pick. That means buyers stood up, the sellers lost the control, and boom. This is how clear my trading is. I don't use any uh, indicators or any RSI or whatever it is. I don't even know. I used to look for everything that would make my trading better, but in the end, in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. Yeah, I don't know the rap of this song. Don't know why. Yeah, this is it's pretty long. I don't care what does it say. I'm looking at I'm looking at the gold, and gold is not golding anymore. Last 6 minutes, and the gold did not break its high. High up in the sky, you know how I feel. Okay, I don't know what the hell is gold doing at the moment. I am not sure whether this trade is gonna be because we don't have any low wick to see whether there is in. But this rejection, this is a big rejection, and if gold breaks the low of this candle, uh, I think so. I think so. We will have a very good last 4 minutes and no particulars. I don't know, man. If it stays like this, I might have to delete this order as well. Last 3 minutes. No, I'm not sure whether I am doing it right or wrong. I don't know, man. Last 3 minutes and the goal hasn't broke its low. It went up again and broke the high of the. It didn't broke the high of the previous 5 minute candle. There isn't much volume in the market at the moment. I might have to delete this order as well because last 2 minutes I'm not gonna trust. No, nothing really happening at the moment. For the people who look for um, supply and demand, This was a good supply over here, which we did tagged, and then we went back. And since that supply is on hit, we are almost to 727 pips down. Yeah, that's why I didn't trust it. I don't want to get into something fishy already because the gold is not. I know it's gonna go down, but very bad, very bad, very bad. The trade I took in the morning. Okay, let me show you what trade did I took in the morning. This was the trade I took in the morning. Uh, First I had I hit my stop loss. I had this resistance. It was a very big resistance over here. This was my resistance. You see, it broke above. There were plenty of room to go ahead. Almost 70 pips. I thought it would go up, but it did not. It went back and it hit my stop loss, and I was having quite a lot of exponents started. You see, this is this is what the fuck gold is doing. Sorry. So yeah, this was my first trade in the morning, which gave me about $100 loss, and I didn't want that to happen. You see, now it's breaking the low. It's not. How the hell can you be so pathetic? Fuck it, man. Okay, sorry again. So this was my first trade. It didn't went up. It came down. It hit my stop loss. My stop loss was over here, and then it went back, came back, and broke this resistance over here. This was my resistance. It broke, went up, started, and go. We closed it here. Very good profits over here. Oh, can you imagine how bad it is? On 15 minute, it is not creating any resistance. This is resistance. This is support. Nope, 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 nope. Can't trust it. Ain't my ain't my type, man. You ain't my type. You ain't my type. You ain't my type. Okay. Gold from from the core of my heart. Yeah. I could not trust it. I could not trust this filthy. Which I shouldn't say. Bitch. You see, there wasn't a wick down here that it didn't went up even a single bit, man. Even a single pip. Just came down all the way. Almost how many pips did it came down? It came down 120 pips. What the hell? Okay, it's melting. Right now, the gold is not golding anymore. Fuck! See, I told you the gold is about to go, but it did not give us a chance. It did not. It did not. Even the 30 minute didn't had a wick. The stop loss would have been a very big stop loss. I could not trust this. 70%. Okay, that was fine. But there wasn't a wick down, man. How can I trust it? No wick. How can we not talk about families? These are families. These are we got. This is what I am doing. This is.
Tiki, 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 tiki.
Yeah. Chicky, chicky. If gold closes like this after 8 freaking minutes, we'll be very happy to go down 400 pips. Now, no, no, the gold isn't gonna do that. You see, the gold is one piece of. If I've taken that trade right there, right now, I would have had 120 pips. Wow, how cool is that? The gold has not taken even the low or the high of the previous day. How amazing is that? Wow. Last 6 minutes if the gold closes like this, I'll be very happy to take a sell. If not, then I'll call it for the day because it's been a very long time since I'm been waiting for the gold to make it smooth. The gold is not making it smooth. So if the gold closes like this for the next 6 minutes, I'll be very happy to go for sells because there's some buys anywhere. The sells are there. Came down from its resistance, a lot, moved 320 pips. I forgot to take out the keys of the car and my headphones as well, so I had to take them off.
She didn't have to cut me off. We were nothing. Your love, you treat me like so love, so love.
It's yeah, I like that sound. Let's drop it a bit and play it again.
She didn't have to cut me off. We were nothing. Your love, you treat me like so love,
Look. Um, wow. What a day, man. The gold is just playing games with us, man. The gold is playing games. Nothing nothing special. Okay, last 4 minutes. If the gold stays here, I'll be very happy to go for sells, even though the body is very big. Still, we have a very strong sells, and I think so. We might take out the low of the previous. Okay, I did not expect this, man. I do target everything. I did every trade. I did every setup, and you control, Uday, control. Oh, I could have gone into solve, yeah, and took my 1300 bit gold. Oh gold, oh gold, oh gold. You're such a. If anyone is live, is listening to me, feel the pain in my voice because the gold is such a manufacturing gold at the moment. You see, 5 minutes are just going up. Yeah, yeah. If it closes like this, I'll be very happy to take the sell. Yeah. There are 3 viewers right now, and I think those 3 viewers are ghost. But I like ghosts. Yeah. You didn't have to cut me off. What a shame. What a shame. Okay, I can put this freaking candle on someone's birthday cake because this candle is so big that you can't imagine. You see? You see? One candle giving 184 pips. How? You didn't have to cut me off. So, if it goes back, but I can't trust it now because the candle is very big and we are at the support. Can't trust you, gold, anymore. Can't trust you, gold. Pretty, pretty baby. Without a support, I can't take sell over here. This candle is very big. I can't. This is a support, and we are at 1 hour support. Gold is melting right now, you see. 1 hour. Oh my god. We did not broke the high. We are now gonna come down. That is why I said I won't take any sense of buy right now because stretching, so much work I just did today. Oh, it was a hectic day. I stayed so long. I stayed. Well, guys, I guess I'm done for today because Gold didn't give any certain move according to my setups and just went in the exact direction I wanted it to without giving me any move, move you. Wow, very boring day. I guess gold is going up to create a resistance, a new resistance, so that it can go down further. It has made a very big move on the top without giving any. How many pips are these? 144. 144 pips down. Last 6 minutes to force with this candle to close. We're creating a support. Very bad. Very bad, boy. Bad boy. Okay. Okay, guys. It's again a day that did not turn out in our way. And it is getting boring now. I don't know what to say now. So, see you tomorrow again. We did not took any trade because we don't want to trade. We don't want to force any trade because always remember one thing. Hello? Yeah, no. Always remember one thing. One, if you are forcing a trade, that forced trade might not give you the profit you want, but will give you the loss you don't want. Remember that. Feed that in your head. You see, I've been sitting here for past 1 hour and 40 minutes. I did not took any risk trade, even though there was setup forming at 30 minutes, but there was no lower risk. So out of range. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we're gonna come live again. If you are free, like me, you can join me in the streaming. See you tomorrow. It was a good day. No trade taken, no loss, no profit, break even, and we're good to go. New York City. Bye.